Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone and car are ready. Update apps and enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location. Once done, unlock the phone and choose either USB or wireless pairing. Use a data-rated cable for USB to avoid power-only leads. Make sure the car's infotainment is in pairing or USB mode, then watch your phone for the connection prompt. Accept any permissions the phone asks for. This lets Android Auto or CarPlay share navigation, calls, and audio with the car immediately. Once paired, follow the on-screen prompts on both devices. You need to allow contact, message, and location access so navigation and hands-free calling work. If the car asks, set Android Auto or CarPlay as the default for phone projection. This avoids repeating prompts. Next, choose your preferred map and media apps and confirm voice assistant access so you can use hands-free commands. Make sure Do Not Disturb is configured for driving to reduce distracting notifications while connected. Now finish by testing the essentials. Start navigation, play a track, and call using voice commands to confirm everything routes through the car. Secure your phone in a mount and enable driving Do Not Disturb so alerts won't distract you. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Disconnect, restart both phone and car, then reconnect with a known good cable or rerun wireless pairing. If the problem persists, recheck app permissions and the infotainment software version before seeking dealer support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.